Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm Alexandra from the Skin Repair Group and we're welcoming James here today, who is embarking on a journey using hyperbaric oxygen therapy for his MS. So welcome, James.
Thank you.
So just tell us a little bit about yourself to begin with, the diagnosis, how this has come about for you.
Right. Okay, I was diagnosed with MS 6 years ago. The symptoms were I had a limp, then a lot of fatigue, saw many doctors, eventually I saw a neurologist, and all the symptoms of MS were there. A lot of inflammation, stiffness in the body, and it is a very hard disease to live with because it really restricts your mobility and the things that you can do.
Brilliant. And with regards to embarking on the hyperbaric oxygen therapy treatments, you obviously met Ralph.
Yes. From
the Skin Repair Group, and tell us a little bit about how you've met, obviously why you agreed to work with him on this.
Good question. Yeah. I met Ralph through a mutual friend of ours and a friend of my cousin's. We got talking about what we do, and Ralph talked very enthusiastic about what he's doing, and specifically about the hyperbaric oxygen chamber, which I didn't know a lot about. I've heard about it, but he seemed I felt like he really believed in what he was doing, and conveyed he could really help me. So I am going to give it a go. I'm really positive about it, and I look forward to starting and see what the results can bring.
Fantastic. Well, we will be documenting the journey going forward and monitoring your progress with the treatments. So we'll be seeing a lot more of you, asking you questions, and obviously speaking to Ralph as well about it all and how it works and how hopefully it's going to help you.
Yes, I look forward to it.
Brilliant. Thanks, James. We'll see you soon.
Sure.